Hello. It is quiz time. Have you ever seen such animals? Try to guess what they are called. Let's begin. Narwhal. Narwhal is a toothed whale that lives in Arctic waters. Males have a long spiral tusk. Flying fox. The largest bats. They live in the tropics. They live in flocks and feed mainly on fruits. Panda ant. Panda ants are actually wasps. They love a hot climate and feed on nectar. They have a toxin capable of killing a cow after several dozen bites. Echidna. Echidna is a mammal covered with needles. It lays eggs. It lives in Australia and feeds on insects. Yeti crab. The yeti crab lives at a depth of up to 2,000 meters, near hydrothermal vents. Its claws are covered with light-colored villi. Dugong. The dugong is a mammal that lives along the shores and does not like the depth. It feeds on algae. They are very good-natured and lazy. Platypus. Platypus refers to waterfowl mammals. It lays eggs. It lives only in Australia and is its symbol. Parrotfish. They live in the tropical zone of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, live near corals. They have a bright and beautiful color, and a peculiar beak. Saiga. Saiga is one of the antelope species. It has a nose in the form of such a humped trunk. They live in large herds. Dropfish. Deep-sea bottom-sea fish. It has no teeth, skeleton, muscles, and an air bubble. It resembles jelly. It feeds on shellfish. On the surface, it immediately dies. Moray. Moray eel is a bottom fish. The body is serpentine in shape, without scales. Predator. Its meat is eaten. Lemur Ayy. They live on the island of Madagascar. Lives in trees. Hunts at night. It feeds on larvae. It has long fingers and big ears. His teeth grow all his life. Moloch. Moloch is a lizard. It lives in Australia. The whole body is covered with thorns. It feeds on ants. Does not drink, collects water by skin. Naked digger. A naked digger is a rodent living underground. Practically has no wool. They live in colonies of 70 to 80 individuals. They feed on the underground parts of plants. Lamprey. Lamprey is not a fish. It's a jawless animal, a parasite. It sticks like a leech to fish. Armadillo. These armadillos are very small, from 9 to 15 centimeters. His armor is pale pink, can curl up into a ball. It lives in Argentina. It feeds on insects, worms. Mara. Mara is a rodent that lives in South America. It is about 70 centimeters long. They eat plant food. Wombat. Wombats are marsupial mammals. They live in Australia. Herbivores. They need 14 days to digest food. Sawfish. Sawfish is a stingray that has such an unusual snout growth. They live up to 80 years. They feed on fish and crustaceans. Okapi. Okapi live in the Congo in Central Africa. Although they have stripes like a zebra, okapi is a relative of the giraffe. Tapir. Tapir are mammals resembling a pig, having a trunk. They eat fruits and berries. They like to spend time in the water. Jerboa. Jerboa are rodents that live in steppes and deserts. They are mostly nocturnal animals. They feed on seeds and plants. Peacock spider. Small spiders up to 5 millimeters. Males have such a multicolored color. The female can catch and eat the male. You have come to the end of the quiz. Congratulations! It would be great if you comment how many correct guesses you got.